Go, Grant.
Good. Good. Hey, get away.
Go, Grant. Bye.
Bye.
Stinky.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Grant, I need you to head in the house.
Go, Grant.
Jack. My sugar water.
Yeah. Let's not open it up yet.
Yeah.
We don't wanna get the kids.
Some of these on the inside of the car, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Here we go.
All right. Oh boy.
You're fine. I'm just gonna squirt the little puppies with sugar water. Keep them nice and happy, busy, eating, doing all that they need to do. And,
Can I stand up close?
yeah, if you like, sure. I need you to continue to push this for me with the other hand, okay? So hold this box. Take this video with me. Okay. Set this there for now.
Okay.
Wait a second, but I need to get my hive tool.
Nice. I get to sit here. Let's check them out. Yep, we got a whole hive.
All right, baby. Where's your sugar water, you know?
No,
Can you leave it back there?
I don't know.
Set them there.
Switch hands. See, I can't tell if they're freaked out or if they're just there, you know? By the way, in case any of you are wondering, all this smoke that I'm blowing out of here, this thing right here, is just like any regular campfire smoke, you know. It's meant to trick the bees into thinking there's a wildfire, which instinctively makes them go back in their hive. So it kind of calms them down, or scares them into going back into their hive, basically.
Now this over here, this is the Russians that have done nothing.
The Russians.
So we're gonna evict them.
Oh boy.
There you go.
I'm putting those
Dump
in
in
there.
these girls.
We're just gonna set them free.
Well, truth be told, there's going to be a queen fight here in the next couple of days.
What?
Okay, I need my smoker.
Okay,
Thanks, man.
you're welcome. Hey, look, a lizard. Right here. Come on. Go. Go away.
Yeah, there's nothing going on here.
See, look. They're not even...
Is anybody home? Nobody's home.
Oh my gosh.
Has it been slimed out?
There's some dead bees at the bottom.
There's cockroaches.
There's like nothing in
There's
there.
nothing in there. Oh,
Except a bunch of dead bees. Holy cow.
and cockroaches. That's perfect, actually.
Wonderful.
Yeah, that is. That's really good news. I'm glad.
Now we don't have to kill them. They just die by themselves.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Look at that.
Yeah, nice. Nice. Okay, girls. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take out the middle frames.
Girls, do you mean just me?
Yeah.
Look at that.
I'm talking to the future. Here it is.
Look, there's just a bunch of dead bees in the middle.
Let's see. Here.
Look at that.
Show me.
Right there. Do you see that?
No. Oh. That's interesting.
Dad, look down there.
Wow, they all died out.
Holy cow.
Holy cow, look at that. They just died in place. I've never seen that.
Poor bees.
Yeah, take a video of that. They all died.
And there's a bunch of stinking beetles.
Really? Huh. You see beetles moving around here?
Yeah,
I
there's
mean,
tons of beetles.
I wonder if they just froze one night. I mean, they just like, you can see that there's activity, and then they just all like look at these girls. Look. You can see their butts right in there.
Yeah.
Like, they had their. I wonder if they just starved to death. But that's just crazy. Huh.
Definitely crazy.
I'll be interested to see what Mr. Bruce has to say about that.
There's just a bunch of beetles and cockroaches everywhere.
They had some old brood here. I mean, but they were. Yeah, they weren't.
Weren't they expensive too?
These guys?
Yeah.
No, this is a swarm that Mr. Bruce got, and these guys just never did much of anything, really.
Yeah. Tons of cockroaches and everything.
Yeah, we'll get them out real fast. Oh, look at the dead. Oh my gosh, look at it.
I told you there's
Yeah.
tons.
Tons of dead bees right there. Crazy. That's amazing.
Well, like crazy.
Well, and look at this.
Our bees are
Looks
fine.
like some larvae or something. Just
Where?
Look at that. Look on the edge here. See, something was hatching and it just fell out and died. Hey.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Yeah, Mr. Bruce is going to comment on that. We'll see. Okay, let's assemble this back together. And
What about all those beetles? Dad, what about all those beetles? Like that one.
good beetles.
There's tons of little baby beetle thingies. You don't see them? There's tons. There's one right there.
Oh yeah, those are Varroa beetles.
Are we gonna allow them in there?
If the hive is strong enough, it takes care of them. And we have a beetle trap already that we'll use to set them up so they can push the.
Oh, look, there's tons of like ant thingies.
Yeah.
That's annoying.
That's too bad. But they weren't doing anything anyway.
Yep.
So it's the nature's way of it. You either produce or you die.
Basically.
Okay.
I bet their queen died or something.
There's the, oh, there it is. I'm gonna ratchet it down to the absolute smallest here.
Honestly, I think it needs to be cleaned.
The bees will clean it, I promise.
You sure?
Yep.
Do you think they look pretty strong?
Yeah, I did.
Were they making honey?
No.
Were they making honey when you found them?
No,
Oh.
because they had swarmed, so they were out of the hive, and they were looking for a place to start life. I think the bees will clean that up.
Really?
Yeah, I do actually.
Let me get
But look, you have old brood in here that just died. Yeah, they'll clean it up.
Yeah.
But I hope this is not like some chemical, but who knows? All right. So, you ready to shake some bees?
I'm ready to film it.
Yeah. See the sugar water container?
Mhm.
So
Look at them. They look healthy. They look alive. Unlike the freaking
so what we're gonna
Russians.
do is that's a brand new hive. So instead of doing 2 boxes to start them off, we're gonna do 1 plus a hive feeder on the side. And
Mhm.
this will allow them, hopefully, to build a little bit. Let's see.
Was that one
Yeah,
ours?
they look like a 5 frame, and then we're gonna probably pull this in about 2 weeks and move it up. But I'm thinking for the first 2 weeks of these guys being home, and they need some food, and just to set them up on the lower box.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, let's put this up here.
Tons and
What's
tons.
gonna happen is when I open this box, and they come out, they're not gonna be grilled.
Is there ever a chance of them flying away?
No, because they'll go wherever the queen goes. And as long as she's in the box, we're all good.
Cool.
We're gonna fill that up with sugar water. That's left over from the
So-
last time we were here.
Do you think, like,
And
they'll be fine with all the beetles and stuff that was left over?
needles? No, I can take them out.
Okay, good.
And we're gonna give them some foundation. So here's what we're gonna do. Step 1 is dump them in. Step 2 is slide the frames in one at a time. And then we're gonna shut it up.
Cool.
And that'll be that. Sound good?
Mhm.
All right. Where's my sugar water gun?
There's a gun.
Oh, there it is.
Calm down, children.
Oh, they're very calm. First of all, they are
They're also in a box,
well, they've swarmed.
which means they got a lot of honey and they're all very kind of
Yeah.
drunk.
Well, yeah. And their number one and only focus right now is let's find a house. We don't care about attacking anybody or anything. All right, here we
Yeah.
go.
Okay. Haha.
Okay, back away, babe.
Okay. Is this far enough? Or should I go farther?
Oh, that's fine.
Can I come closer or no?
Not right now.
Okay.
'Cause I don't know what they're gonna do just yet.
Hmm.
So. Okay. Here we go.
Oh man. Can I get a video of that?
Better hurry. Hurry.
Dang, it's a giant
Oh,
box of bees.
Where's my bee brush?
Your bee brush?
Yeah, I need my bee brush.
You don't have it.
Ah, let's go get it real quick.
I have
We'll do
this. I have this.
No, I need a bee brush right now.
Okay.
Go get me a bee brush.
Is it in your box?
Yeah, it's sitting in my box.
Shoot. No, 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 no. Dad, it's not here! Frick. Still be. They're not there. Brush.